everybody. This is Patty the Leather Lady. Happy holidays. So I'm coming on here really quick. I know everybody's getting short in time to buy gifts, run around and get ready for the holidays, whatever you celebrate. This is a time where we want to help you be a little creative and build memories. The whole idea for me is to build memories. That's what I'm all about, is hoping to build memories, because memories last a lifetime, right? So what we're doing here at Disney World, I wish I was there, at the Leather Lady, is we are creating personalized kits for you, for stocking stuffers, for big gifts, little gifts, anything like that. I'm going to show you some of the samples that I'm talking about and give you some creative ideas. You can go online and order a DIY kit alone, or you can actually go on and order a DIY kit with a 2-hour workshop online. They are starting January 4th, and what a great time to go ahead and have a professional sit with you along with a lot of other people that are online doing the same thing, building their kits. Doesn't matter what kit you have, let's just have some fun. So let me show you. All right, so this is what our box is going to look like. Okay, this is one of our boxes, and it doesn't have to be for Christmas. It could be for Valentine's, birthdays, anniversaries. Maybe you just want to give it just because and have fun and build a memory. So one of our kits will come personalized. It will have a name to the person. It'll give your name, who's giving it. It'll also say if you included the DIY event. How fun is that? You'll be given a code with that. You'll be emailed a code with that. You'll go on our calendar, and we have classes starting right now on Saturdays, every Saturday. There will be more as we build up clientele that wants to do this. But Saturdays for 2 hours with me or one of our experts in leather care or leather crafting. I can't speak today. But here's a kit that has the coasters. So if somebody wants to build the coasters, now you could buy one of the coaster holders for, I think it's like $1.99. But this will come in there personalized and everything. If you want to add tools, each kit will tell you what tools it is. If you go online, it also will tell you what tools you probably need to go with that kit, so you can buy them right there. If you can't find them on our website, you can always look on Amazon or other places. However, most of the tools that are in the DIYs we do sell. Okay, so this is one of these personalized kits. So maybe you have something that you just don't know. Oh, I don't even know what to get them. So you have the opportunity then to do something different. You'll get a personalized gift certificate or a gift card. You could do either one, but this will be a laminated gift card with a special code for them to use for whatever amount of money that you want them to do. So let's look at some of the kits that we're talking about. Any age, we have with reason, you have from $4.95 all the way up to a couple $100 and really advanced kits. But one of our kits might be like a knife sheath. We have knife sheaths. Maybe you're going to be traveling and you want to build a passport wallet cover kind of a thing. Maybe you know somebody who is into axing or cutting wood and needs to protect their axes. We also have kits that are for the horse people too. We have a saddle kit. Now this one here will come this color, but I have an old one that I did that is like a little horse saddle. It's so cute. And what you do with these pets, maybe you have a horse, play horse that you want to do on that. We are building kits. I don't have these all put together 100%, but they're ready to go. If you want to do a horse noseband or some spur straps, those are fun to do. But you say, well, what about something little for stocking stuffers? We could do that. We have these really nice little keychains. You can get the deluxe that you can go ahead and lace around the edge, or you can get the standard where you could just stamp out something on there that the kids might like. These are great for kids' winter craft ideas too. Awesome gifts for craft ideas. If you're into wine, how about wine, guys? So we are now starting to sell wine carriers. Yes, you can make and put this together in no time. You can dye it if you want. If you're into engraving, You can go ahead and have it engraved. We are going to be selling these guys, and you will be able to engrave them. So this is something to look forward to. That will probably start in the first of the year. But then we also have the single wine kits that you could do. Now these are going to take a lot of hand stitching if you're going to do the kits, unless you have a sewing machine that you can actually go ahead and do that with. All right. Maybe you don't have anybody that likes leather, but they have their work, they're into fly tying and fishing and all that kind of stuff. This is our Lazy Susan. Whoops. This is our Lazy Susan, and it is an organizer. It does come as a DIY kit as well as all put together. It's up to you. I use mine all the time. Very, very nice to have in your workshop. If that's too big for you, then we have these smaller ones, also a DIY kit that you can actually personalize. This one has the leather lady on it. They come in 4 styles. Go and look on there. You can either get them so that you put it together, or they can come fully loaded, but no, just with the holes, okay? So those are some creative ideas. One of the things that we do want to let you know is definitely the DIY kits. We are building every day new kits on there for everybody. Also, if you don't want the kit, we have patterns. We're growing our patterns online. And so we would love your feedback, comments on what you don't see, what you would like to have in a DIY kit. I would love to be able to go online with you for 2 hours. And you know what? It's only 20 bucks, guys. 20 bucks for 2 hours, $10 an hour to have somebody there to help and guide you. Normally a class would cost you maybe $35, $65. Here, this is a great way, as well as if you're a beginner and never did leather, getting a DIY kit is one of the things that can start. It's very good for you to start, because not only do they give you the leather in there, but they also give you the instructions and everything to make it. So pretty easy, pretty easy. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to go online and look at our DIY kits as well as the times. If there is a time that you want your 2-hour workshop, please contact us. Let us know. This is new to us, and we want to be online for you guys anytime that you guys need it for a class or a workshop. So this is coming 2025. January 4th is the first class. I hope you sign up. Now, this is a disclaimer, guys. You can't go to the 2-hour workshop without purchasing one of our DIY kits. All right. You have to purchase one of our DIY kits to go. Otherwise, you can sign up for a workshop. Those are also listed on our website. And you also can become a DIY member. What does that mean? A DIY member will every month get a kit of their level. So if you're beginner, intermediate, or advanced, you receive a kit each month and the 2-hour workshop, along with some exclusive things that may be coming your way that only the members can get. We hope this has been a good thing for you guys to help learn. We need to grow leather craftsmen, artisans, and entrepreneurs. I hope you have a wonderful holiday, and I hope this was helpful. And don't forget to go get your wine kit. Happy holidays!
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!